Good morning and welcome to American Buffalo Wings. As the sun rises, we're firing up the lines on one of the largest facilities in the country.
Inside the Buffalo Wings factory, engineering crunch and heat.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going deep inside this state-of-the-art facility to follow the incredible journey of the buffalo wing, from farm to your table.
As you can see, this is where it all begins. The raw materials enter the system here, moving us into the next critical phase.
The secret to perfect buffalo wings is the marination process. We use this tumbler to really drive the flavor into the meat.
The latest in high-capacity frying technology. It ensures a perfectly consistent cook every time, vastly improving throughput for large-scale operations. And here we have it, the heart of the operation. This is where our award-winning barbecue sauce cascades over the product, ensuring every bite is perfect.
This final preparation stage ensures every item meets our high standards before being seamlessly moved down the line for packaging.
Keep it straight, a little further. All right, pulling out now.
Bill of lading, everything looks secure.
Perfect. We'll start unloading now.
How does that look? Looks great.
Nice and neat.
A serving size of 4 ounces contains 280 calories, with 19 grams of total fat and 7 grams of saturated fat.
These wings are incredible.
Yeah.
You have to try the blue cheese dip with that. Careful, those have a kick.
Nonsense. These are the best I've ever had.
I'm just glad everyone is here.
They're finally here! Dig in, everyone!
Oh wow, that smells incredible.
Here, try this one, babe.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Save some for me.
And that's when I realized it was the spicy one.
Dad, that's what happened to me last time.
Oh, honey, your face is covered in sauce.
I seriously ate more than you this time.
No
way. I definitely had the most. You kids are crazy. I'm just happy we don't have to cook tomorrow.